James Alex Fields found guilty of killing Heather Heyer during violent Charlottesville rally. James Alex Fields Jr. was found guilty on Friday of killing Heather Heyer when he plowed his car into a group of counter-protesters last year at a Unite the Right rally that quickly turned violent in Charlottesville, Virginia. Fields, 21, was charged with first-degree murder in connection to Heyer's death and 5 counts of aggravated malicious wounding, 3 counts of malicious wounding and 1 hit-and-run count for injuring dozens of others with his vehicle. In addition, Fields was charged with 30 federal hate crimes. He's been on trial since November for the murder charge and still faces trial on the additional charges. After a week of testimony, a jury found that Fields deliberately rammed his car into the crowd after the rally, which was organized in part to protest the removal of Confederate General Robert E. Lee statue. During the trial, Fields' attorney, John Hill, argued that he panicked and was scared when into the group in August 2017 after hours of violent fights breaking out in the streets between rally attendees and counter-protesters. Hill told jurors that Fields feared for his safety, and at one point was remorseful that people had gotten injured. Prosecutors, however, argued that Fields was angry that day over the fighting taking place between the two sides. Prosecutor Nina Alice Antony pointed out that Fields, who a former teacher said was fascinated by Nazism and Adolf Hitler, twice posted on Instagram before the rally an image of a group of people getting struck by a car. "This case is about his decision to act on that anger," Antony said. Prosecutors also played surveillance video showing Fields driving his car slowly towards the group, reversing and then speeding into them. A taped phone call from jail between Fields and his mother was also played for the court. In it, Fields is heard lashing out at Heyer's mother, Susan Bro, calling her a communist and anti-white supremacist who was trying to slander him, according to the. When Fields' mother said Bro had lost her daughter, Fields is heard saying that it doesn't matter and called Bro the enemy. Prior to heading to the rally, Fields had texted his mother, "We're not the one, sick, who needs to be careful," and included a meme of Hitler, NBC 29 reports. Heyer, a 32-year-old paralegal and civil rights activist, was marching with other counter-demonstrators when she was hit. Heyer died from blunt force injury to the chest, and Star Peterson, one of the injured, had to undergo 5 surgeries on her right leg and uses a wheelchair and cane. Marcus Martin, a friend of Heyer who testified during the trial, was hit by Fields' car while pushing his wife out of the way and suffered a broken ankle, destroyed ligaments and twisted tibia. He underwent physical therapy, and hopes the rehab will strengthen his injured leg. Before the fatal crash, Fields, from Ohio, was photographed holding a shield with the Vanguard America emblem, one of the hate groups that participated in the rally. The group later denied he was associated with them. Minna Von Burke is a breaking news reporter for NBC News. Mariana Sotomayor is an associate producer for NBC News covering Capitol Hill and politics.